Good morning, grade 4. Welcome in your social science tutorial. So today I will brief you about chapter number 12, a human resource. So we will talk about what is the meaning of human resource, how the human resources are developing, and what improvements we need in a human resource development. So let's begin with the presentation. Okay, grade 4. So let's begin with our PPT on chapter number 12, the human resources. So today we will talk about the importance of natural resources, the progress made in human resources sector, and the steps taken by government to improve the human resources. So let's begin with it. So first of all, there are different type of natural resources. First, let's learn about the natural resources. The natural resources like sun, forest, rock, minerals, then animals, air, oil, water, and soil. All these are the natural resources which are gifted by nature, and these are the natural resources. What these are? Natural resources. Now next comes the natural resources. The definition of natural resources is resources drawn from a nature are called natural resources. जो resources हमें nature से मिलती हैं उन्हें हम कौन सी resources कहते हैं बेटा? Natural resources. We call them natural resources. So the resources drawn from the nature are called natural resources. And now comes the human resources. When man convert these gift of nature into useful resources, then they become human resources. तब वो क्या बन जाती हैं? Human resources. जब हम humans in natural resources को convert करते हैं, जो हमें nature के nature से मिली होती हैं और जो nature gift होता है, and हम उन्हें use करते हैं, तब वो क्या बन जाती हैं बेटे? Human resources. So, man convert these gifts of nature into useful resources, and then they are known as human resources. What they are known as? Human resources. Now, let's continue. Okay. Now, you can see a picture on your screen. So, look at the natural resources. The water is given by nature. That's one of our natural resources. And from the water, what we do? We generate electricity. What we do? We generate electricity. Then we use water for drinking. Do we use water for drinking? Yes. Water is very precious and we use water for various purposes. Drinking, washing, cleaning, and cooking food, and number of other purposes we use water. So humans start using the natural resource. Okay, as I told you, we generate energy, we generate hydroelectricity. So there comes the human resource. Now the humans are using or converting the water as a energy. Then the next natural resource is oil which we get from nature. That's also a natural resource. And then we use a natural resource as a energy fuel. Oil हम use करते हैं ना, जिससे हम energy fuel के लिए further use करते हैं, fuel मिलता है उससे. Fine, उससे हम energy generate करते हैं with the help of oil. This is also recreation of a natural resource. Next come the forest. So number of things we get from the forest. We get wood, we get food, medicine, then recreation of wildlife, we get rubber, cotton. With the wood we create our shelter. So in the number of different ways we use the forest also. Then we get rocks from the nature. Rocks, पत्थर जिसे हम कहते हैं, उससे हम क्या करते हैं? Construction of a shelter, construction of a building, different buildings, either hospital, either colleges, or our houses. So we construct or we make our shelter with the help of rocks. Then comes the minerals. With the help of minerals we make jewelry, glasses, canes. Okay, with the help of minerals we make jewelry. We also get minerals like mining. हम कहते हैं ना, this country मेन ऑक्यूपेशन और दिस कंट्रीज मेन इंडस्ट्री इज माइनिंग, उससे वहां से हमें क्या मिलती है, मिनरल्स मिलते हैं, ठीक है जी. देन कम सॉइल, नेक्स्ट इज सॉइल. सॉइल इज ऑल्सो अ नेचुरल रिसोर्स, एंड सॉइल में हम क्या करते हैं, एग्रीकल्चर, खेती बाड़ी, उसमें हम अपनी क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते हैं, और जो फर्दर हम क्रॉप्स कंज्यूम करते हैं और उन्हें इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं ह्यूमंस, ठीक है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो रिक्रिएटिंग ऑफ अ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. देन कम्स द एनिमल्स. Animals give us food. We get other things also from animals. For example, from sheep we get wool. Then recreation of animals, we have zoo, we created the zoo, wild sanctuaries. Okay, so humans are recreating the things. Is it clear? Grade 4. Now we will go further. Now here comes the meaning of human resources. So what does human resource means? Human resource, as I told you, all the people living in the country is called human resources. So जितने भी लोग हमारी कंट्री में रहते हैं वो क्या है, human resources. For example, the people who are educated, people who are intelligent, and the skilled people. Skilled means जिनमें कोई specialized है, जो कोई काम करते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, skilled. Can use the natural resources wisely and efficiently. They are known as human resources. उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, human resources. See, as I told you, all people living in the country is called human resources. जितने भी लोग हमारी कंट्री में रहते हैं वो क्या है, human resources. Okay, is it clear? Grade 4. Then the people who are educated, जो पढ़े लिखे हैं, इंटेलिजेंट हैं, जो लोग स्किल्ड हैं, जिन्हें कोई काम आता है, वो क्या करते हैं, जो हमारी नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज हैं, जिनके बारे में हमने प्रीवियसली अभी डिस्कस किया है, उनको वाइजली मीन्स बहुत अच्छी तरह से यूज करते हैं एंड एफिशिएंटली यूज करते हैं. दे आर नोन एज ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. कंट्री हैव make a lot of progress after the independence. You can see here we open the All India Institution of Medical Science. Then a government constructed a number of flyovers. Then they also opened the schools and colleges so that a country people can get a better education and a country's prosperity keep developing, and we make a country feel proud. So India government is doing a lot of things, but still a country needs improvement. For that we need to control the number of factors. So we will talk about those factors which are affecting our human resources. Problem faced by the people of our country, that's increasing population or poverty and increasing population. So first of all, let's talk about increasing population. As you know, India having a second largest population. It's more than 140 crores after China. So we are the second largest population. Due to this, a country people leads to the shortage of food. खाने की कमी बच्चे, because जितनी ज़्यादा population होगी उतनी ही कमी होनी शुरू हो जाएगी basic necessities की, like food, shelter means घर, house, shelter का मतलब होता है छत की कमी होना, then health care facilities, water. And now let's take a very common example of this pandemic situation. If you all know, the year 2020 was the very I would say a bad year for a whole country and for a whole universe, because due to the coronavirus, the number of countries have suffered a lot, and in India the people suffer a lot, and they have lost their lives. One of the reason is also that due to the shortage of oxygen, our government was unable to get the oxygen or to arrange the oxygen for such a large number of population. Due to that, the people were dying, so there was a lack of shortage also. And for that, you can also see a picture on the screen, the person having oxygen, and he was sitting on the road. There were a lack of facilities of hospitals. The hospital bedrooms were not available at that time, because there are a number of people who are suffering from this COVID. and this is due to we have a lot of population. So if we don't control, a population or a country's population, then our condition will be very worst in a coming future. हमारी जो conditions है वो और ज़्यादा worst हो जाएंगी. I told you, due to increasing in a population, we have a shortage of healthcare facilities. In healthcare facilities, like you have seen what happened last year in 2020, and still it's going on. Now let's compare to the countries which having a very less population comparatively to our countries, or you can also say they have they control the population of their country. For example, let's talk about New Zealand. New Zealand is one of the country who are actually right now free from COVID. They are not wearing the mask. The life is back on track. उनकी जो life है बच्चे वो normal आ चुकी है जैसे वो पहले रह रहे थे. The reason, because the government was able to control the pandemic. The reason they have a controlled population. उनकी जो population थी वो control थी. उसके कारण वो क्या हुआ, वो proper अपनी medical facilities दे पाए लोगों को. तो इसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, अपनी population को control करना पड़ेगा, so that we can also improve the wealth and the health of our country's people. Then next, let's talk about the steps to tackle the problem of overpopulation and unemployment. So what steps can be taken to control this problem? So the steps can be taken. The government should provide jobs to poor people. सरकार को क्या करना चाहिए, jobs, नौकरियां देनी चाहिए जो गरीब लोग हैं. The government should also provide houses, घर, उन्हें हाउसेस भी, उन्हें शेल्टर, उनका बेसिक शेल्टर. देन द गवर्नमेंट शुड ओपन द हॉस्पिटल्स, हेल्थ केयर सेंटर, सो दैट दे कैन गेट द बेटर फैसिलिटीज रिलेटेड टू हाइजीन और मेडिकल, सो दैट दे कैन डोंट फेस अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ हाइजीन. देन there should be arranging education facilities. The basic education should be free for all the students till the age of 16, or you can say till the age of 17 or 18. The government should arrange the education facilities. And now the opening of hospitals and healthcare centers. So government should also open more healthcare centers and hospitals so that the people can get the basic medical facilities. Then arranging the educational facility. The government having have started few of the programs so that they can give a basic education to all the students, and also making it compulsory that the children should go for a education. Then the last point, encouraging to have a small family. The government should give a free seminars or a workshop to the poor people also, and to the other as well, the people who are living in the country, that we should have a small family, a family of 4, like one child, you can say one daughter or one son, or 2 kids of husband and wife or a parent. There should be a family of 4, not more than that. Then only we will be able to control our country's population. And India has the largest pool of skilled persons. We have so many skilled persons who are very successful in their respective fields, who are very successful, जो बहुत successful भी हैं अपनी अपनी fields में. But still we need improvement in the quality of its people to become developed nation, so that अभी भी हमें improvement की ज़रूरत है, so that कि हम एक developed nation बन सके. Thank you. So grade 4, this was all about chapter number 12, a human resource. I hope you get an overview of a chapter number 12, human resource. Now I want to request you all, before you come for a next class, do read your chapter thoroughly and watch your tutorial carefully. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.